Hey guys, it's Jeff. I am back and we are back to this game called Silent Hill, Room 304. So, we left off to where we're trying to help this man that's up here in this room. So, I searched up the game and I realized that there's a key right here to the wire. And we were searching for that key in the first episode. So, guess we found it. Doo-doo. So now we have to go back up these, go here, unlock this. Strong white light is coming from beyond the door is locked.
You there! Stop! I need your help. I'm locked up in here. My name's Adrian. Adrian Woodfield. I've been locked up in this horrendous room for over 2 days now. Please. You gotta get me out of here. My family needs me.
Okay, so which one do you guys think we should do? Should we do family? Tell me more about yourself. How did you get yourself locked up in here? Let's try...
There's not really much to tell. I'm an accountant from Shepherd's Glen and I'm here on vacation. Biggest mistake of my life. This town has so far been downright crazy.
We're gonna do this one.
Well, it's a long story. I really don't know how to explain it to you, but here it goes. I came here to Silent Hill with my wife and my newborn son to relax. Enjoy life, you know. We own a small cabin in the woods not far from here. And just as we were unpacking and getting ready to settle in, these things came out of nowhere and started attacking us. One of them got me real good. Cut my leg right open. If it wasn't for the medical supplies in here, I would have been dead by now. Anyway, we started running away from the devilish creatures and decided to split up. My wife and our son Jonathan headed for school to get help, while I, being the idiot that I am, entered this stinking abandoned apartment building and started looking for a place to hide. I found this room and got in. But then all of a sudden, the door slammed locked behind me. I've been looking for a way to escape, but I just haven't found one yet. It seems that the door can only be unlocked from the outside, so you're the only one who can help me. Well, first of all, make sure my family's okay. Then when you found them, bring them here, and we'll figure this mess out. There must be a key for this door somewhere.
Okay, so we just realized that, we just realized that he was on vacation with his family, and, well, he got locked up in the room. So, let's ask him, where can we find his
They
family?
should be at the school, although knowing my wife, they might have gone somewhere else. This is a big town. He could be anywhere. Try going to the school first, though. That would be my best guess at the moment. I can't thank you enough for this. Please, hurry back.
Okay, so we just realized that he's locked in that room. So we gotta find his family in the school. There's a school here. Okay, so we did check the school. Now we have to go up here.
You're back, but I don't hear the voices of my loved ones. Well, by all means, hurry up and find them. Their lives are depending on you. Don't you understand that?
Yes, sir, we
Sorry about that.
understand.
I'm not a man of patience, you see. Please, I just want to see their faces again. That's all I ask for. I know you will. Now go!
Okay. So, he kinda isn't a patient dude. So, we're gonna check there's a dead end here. So, there's a school there. We couldn't find anything. So, let's check the cabin that we went to at first. The front door is locked. So, they can't be in the cabin. Who knows where. Okay, so he might yell again, but it's so hard to figure out.
You're back, but I don't hear the voices of my loved ones. Okay, but make it quick. Not much. What I know about this town is solely based on the information I got from the Silent Hill brochure. It claimed that the town was an astoundingly beautiful and relaxing place, with a dreamy atmosphere that would make you forget all your everyday worries. That's why I bought the cabin, to stay here and enjoy some quality time, alone with my family. Turns out, the town was the exact opposite of what I read. You're back, but I don't hear the voices of my loved ones. Okay, but make it quick.
Okay, so we did ask him, what about this town? We didn't ask him how old he is. Where should I look for your family? So we're going to try this one and we're going to do this one again.
I turned 37 last week, but I find it hard to believe I haven't reached 100 already. Stressed out, that's what I am.
Okay, so now we're going to
You're
ask
back.
him where his family is.
I don't hear the voices of my loved ones. Okay, but make it quick. I saw them run towards the school, so I presume that they are hiding there.
Okay, so he's currently hiding, so they must be hiding somewhere at the school. Okay. So we have to keep on searching for the family before we get him out, is what I'm guessing. But, to be honest, the school's locked. I'll get back to you guys in a minute. Let me figure this. Okay, I am back. And, I just realized something. So, if we go over here, if we slowly go over here, there's gotta be something here on the ground. So, it has to be somewhere here. I know I'm not supposed to go all the way back. Okay, so there's gotta be somewhere. There has to be a key out here. 'Cause, let's see here. Where could it be? Oh. No. That's not where I was gonna click. Okay. There's gotta be a key here. That's creepy. I just heard footsteps in this game. Okay, hang on. Okay, everyone, I'm back. So, let's see. We gotta find a school. We gotta find a key somewhere. Oh, look. Okay, got the school key. We got the school key. But how the heck can we find the cabin key? Okay, so we found the school key. Classroom. Go against the flow. Go 3 against the flow. Well, at least we made it to the classroom. We are at school. Oh, they were at school. They were at school. What you need to know. Okay, well, this is kind of creepy. Why would a mother and son come to an abandoned school, and doesn't say, hey, well, the door of the principal's office is locked? What in the flippin' is going on? Looks like the lock is broken. I can't open it. Oh, that's teasing me. Beyond the corner is nothing but dead end. Dead end. It's locked! Oh, I'm getting tired of that stupid thing. Okay, so they were here. They were at school. I need to find Emmy's family before. I need to find out if Adam's family is here before I leave. And how do we do that? That thing's locked! Okay, well, before we leave, we gotta figure out what the heck this thing is. So, I'll get back to you guys in a okay, guys, so this here, the 3, so there's a 3 and there's a 4. So we gotta make sure those are important. So there's nowhere else we can go but the bathroom. So looks like the lock is broken. Whoa! It looks like someone just died in the toilet. Ow! There's a key. Ew. Okay. 1. We are not looking in the toilets again. The stall is locked. Is someone in there? Is someone in there? Okay, this is getting kind of scary. So we gotta remember 3 and 4. Okay, so I found the Okay, here's the principal's office. But that was kind of scary. Okay, an old phone. It won't turn on. It's just a bunch of old I cannot read that word. Oh, documents and blank papers. Nothing I can't see. Oh gosh. I don't know the password to this. Okay. I don't know. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna stop here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We will get back to this as soon as this video is uploaded. And remember that is part 2. Part 3 is coming up next. I'm gonna be recording all day. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this video, stab that like button. If you're new, please subscribe. And I will see you all out, and turn on your notification bells. And I'll see you all killers later.